You aren't tired because you're working hard. You're tired because your nervous system has no edge. The world is designed to keep you in a state of constant expansion. Work more, talk more, be more. But there is a biological limit to how much outside your brain can process before it starts to shatter. Most people think their home is just a container for their stuff. Biologically, that's a lie. Your home is a biological exoskeleton. Choosing home isn't about being lazy or antisocial. It's a strategic retreat. In a world that profits from your exhaustion, your sanctuary is an act of rebellion. Today, we explore the psychology of cozy and why your brain needs a place where it can finally stop being on guard. Biologically, your skin is your primary boundary. However, neurobiology suggests that when you are in a familiar, safe space, your brain expands that boundary to the walls of your room. This is known as extended cognition. You don't just live in your house, your nervous system plugs into it. This is why you feel a physical drop in tension the moment you lock your door. Your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, finally gets a signal it never gets in public: zero predators. In the wild, open space equals vulnerability. By closing the door, you are manually switching your body from survival mode to repair mode. Your home is literally the laboratory where your cells recover from the friction of the world. If you don't feel this shift, you aren't living, you just parked. True cozy isn't about interior design. It's about sensory safety. Your brain is constantly scanning for visual noise. Every mess, every bright blue LED, and every sharp sound is a microtask that prevents deep recovery. To trigger a deep reset, you must hack your environment. Why do we love soft blankets? Because light pressure on the skin triggers the release of oxytocin, the hormone of safety and belonging. Why do we love warm, dim light? Because anything above 3000 kelvins after sunset is a biological attack. It mimics the high noon sun and keeps your cortisol high. We need the 2700 Kelvin amber glow because it mimics the safety of a campfire, the place where our ancestors felt most protected from the dark. Your nervous system becomes unforced only when every sense confirms that the hunt is over. We live in a culture that shames the quiet life. We are told that if we aren't out there networking, we are falling behind. But this is a dopamine trap. The strongest people aren't those who are everywhere. They are those who have a rich internal world and a physical space that honors it. Choosing home is choosing to prioritize your serotonin over the world's cheap dopamine. It's about mastery over environment. When you control your space, you reclaim the energy that others waste on social masks and small talk. High performance is not about constant output. It's about the quality of your recovery. Mastery over your sanctuary is the first step to mastery over your life. Your home is not just where you sleep. It's where you reassemble the pieces of yourself that the world tried to pull apart. Stop apologizing for wanting to stay in. Your sanctuary is not a hiding place. It is your base of power. If you are someone who finds strength in the quiet, leave a comment. I am home. Let's see how many of us are building our own silent empires. Subscribe to Unforced Mind. Protect your space. Stay unforced.